Welcome back. Continuing the news. Being able to spell your name, fill out a form, or read a sign is often deemed a simple task for many, but for others, it's quite a feat. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, Kay Morgan shares the story of a non-profit group that's working tirelessly to increase the number of Jamaicans who read and count.
At daytime, Robert Nelson works as a gardener and landscaper. But in the night, specifically on Mondays and Thursdays, you can find him here at the Swallowfield Chapel in Kingston, book and pencil in hand, eager to learn.
I couldn't pronounce the words properly, so now I know to pronounce like from A, A, B, B, C, K, and I learn how to pronounce each letter in the alphabet right through.
Progress he has made within the last year since joining English and math classes at the Learning Centers of Jamaica. Growing up poor was a contributing factor.
So if you go to school this Monday, 2 weeks time you don't go to school at all because of financial. So I never really liked school neither. So there was no interest, and my mother couldn't read, so she couldn't able to help my homework then.
This affected him throughout life.
Remember, I applied for a security work, and they said because I can't read, I couldn't get the job. So I was really very ashamed, so I leave the interview, so I go home very sad.
Co-founder Sanya Goff says that for the last 17 years, the aim of the center is to make adults functionally literate and numerate.
Reading signs, filling out forms, going to the local remittance outlet and receiving money.
She says the classes, which are free, provide people from all walks of life with a sense of pride and independence.
For us, success is not measured by a pass mark in any particular subject. For us, success is when a student says, I was able to read a billboard, I can read my Bible. My granddaughter came to me and I was able to help her with her homework. 2
teacher volunteers are assigned to each class. Ashley Daly has been teaching level 2 English for over 6 years.
They also show up every single Thursday from 6 to 8, and I try to push myself to do the same because, like I said, they're extremely eager. They want to be better, and I've seen them grow.
Our quorum is 1. If 1 student turns up and wants to learn, we're here to teach them.
This is why they're encouraging others to join the cause, no matter the age or competence.
Once you realize that there are other students like you, you don't feel like there's a spotlight that is on you. So you just come, have an open mind.
You never too old to learn. It's good when you can help yourself. You don't have to rely on adults to help you along the way.
Be ashamed you don't have it, but don't be ashamed to go for it, because it's a good thing to have something where you can pass on to other people, your children and your friends and so. And here we can give you a better job and a better life.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kay Morgan.